First of all, you need to make sure that your guest editions file is added to the virtual machine. If not, then I'm gonna show you right now. You go to your web browser, so you're gonna type VirtualBox guest editions ISO. You're gonna scroll to this website right here. It says this one is the latest version. Then you're gonna click the link right here. Then you click on the latest version, which is the one right here. You're gonna click it and it's gonna start getting downloaded. I already have it downloaded, so I'm gonna skip. Then you go to your Windows 10 virtual machine. You go to devices, then you click insert guest edition CD image. In the virtual machine, you're gonna open the file explorer. You're gonna click on this PC, then you're gonna find this, which you're gonna double click. Then you're gonna click on VBox Windows Editions. Click on yes, then you'll get the setup. You're gonna click on it right here. Next, install. Once that's done, you're gonna click on reboot now. And then you're gonna wait for your virtual machine to restart. You're gonna click on the settings icon right here. Go to the display category. Enable 3D acceleration and max out the video memory. You're gonna click on OK, then you boot up your virtual machine. So as you can notice, we do have some transparency effects like the background blur here, and also in the settings, and for example in the calculator app you can notice there is some transparency, and also in the start menu. So yeah, a sub would be appreciated, and I hope this helped.